I was able to write a book about Father Busa that was published in 2016 only because his papers and photographs and the archives became available to scholars. After his death in 2011, a couple of years later, we were able to actually gain access to these materials and read them, the primary materials. And it was a wealth of information about his travels, his activities, his theoretical concepts that in one place here at the university. So that made it possible for me to work on the book. And the book, I say, is not a biography of Father Busa, but it is a biography of his research project. So it's a sort of study of how the idea of working on the Index Thomisticus using punch card machinery began to emerge in the 1950s and then became something bigger for the next couple of decades, so that he also began to work with many other texts. And after the book, I put together a team of people, esteemed colleagues in 3 different countries, to work on, we call it reconstructing CAL, Father Busa's Center for the Study of Linguistic Analysis or Literary Analysis. We don't think that we can actually reconstruct it as it was. The emphasis is on the ongoing process of reconstructing, of modeling what happened in the space, of modeling the space itself now that the building has been demolished, in order to raise new questions and to reveal what we don't know about how Father Busa performed the operations of the center and what his research was really like. So it's been fascinating, and we've approached it from multiple angles depending on the expertise of my collaborators and for the last 2 years, and produced a website with some of the results, including an immersive 3D model of that former textile factory in Gallerate where Father Busa set up his center.